Cheesecake has a long and varied history that spans several cultures and centuries. Ancient Greece. The earliest form of cheesecake is believed to have originated in ancient Greece. The Greeks made a simple version with cheese, honey, and wheat. There is evidence that cheesecake was served to athletes during the first Olympic Games in 776 BC. Roman Empire. The recipe was passed on to the Romans, who spread it throughout Europe as they expanded their empire. The Romans called their version libum and often used it as an offering to their gods. Middle Ages. During the Middle Ages, cheesecake recipes began to evolve. Different regions of Europe started to add their unique touches, incorporating local ingredients and methods. Modern cheesecake. The cheesecake we know today, particularly the New York-style cheesecake, developed in the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. It was heavily influenced by European immigrants. In 1872, William Lawrence from New York accidentally invented cream cheese while at. Thus, while the concept of cheesecake has ancient origins, the modern versions have evolved significantly over time and have been influenced by many different cultures. Cheesecake can have various effects on the body, primarily due to its nutritional content. Here are some key points to consider. Nutritional content. Calories. Cheesecake is typically high in calories due to its rich ingredients like cream cheese, sugar, and sometimes butter or cream. Fat. It often contains a significant amount of fat, especially saturated fat, which comes from the dairy products used. Sugar. Cheesecake is usually high in sugar, contributing to its calorie count and affecting blood sugar levels. Protein. It does provide some protein, thanks to the cheese and eggs. Vitamins and minerals. Cheesecake can provide calcium, vitamin A, and sometimes other vitamins and minerals, depending on the recipe. Potential effects on the body. Weight gain. Due to its high calorie and fat content, frequent consumption of cheesecake can contribute to weight gain if not balanced with physical activity. Blood sugar levels. The high sugar content can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which is a concern for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Heart health. The saturated fat content can impact cholesterol levels, potentially increasing the risk of heart disease if consumed in large amounts over time. Digestive health. For those who are lactose intolerant, the dairy in cheesecake can cause digestive issues like bloating, gas, and diarrhea. Moderation and balance. Occasional treat. Cheesecake can be enjoyed as an occasional treat within a balanced diet. Moderation is key to avoiding the negative health impacts associated with its high sugar and fat content. Healthier versions. Some recipes use lower fat cream cheese, less sugar, or alternative sweeteners to make a lighter version of cheesecake. Adding fruit can also increase the nutritional value. Overall, while cheesecake can be part of a healthy diet when consumed occasionally and in moderation, it is important to be mindful of its rich ingredients and their potential effects on the body. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.